Hi friends, I'm out in my kayak on Butterfield Pond. It's a really beautiful place and I thought you might like to come for a paddle with me. Let's go. So here's my boat. I've got my kayak paddle. Of course I'm wearing my life jacket. I got some snacks down there. And this is the beautiful pond. You can probably see the windmills. Can you see those? The windmills in the distance? They're on a windy hill where there's a lot of wind to power the windmills, and the people who live around this park get their electricity from those windmills. I think there's 8 of them. Yep. So I hope you can see these guys. They're in the water here. They're kind of like salamanders. They're called newts. They actually live part of their lives in the water and part of their lives on land. When they're on land, they're bright red. In the water, they're this brownish color. Where'd they go? There they are. Let me get him. There he is. He's just kind of floating, using his tail to move forward. He's going to go under my boat. Let's get him on the other side. Are you there? Yoo-hoo. There you are. There he is. Yeah, they're all over this sandy bottom here. This is where they live. Oh, there's my paddle. I also see a lot of trails in the sand. I'm thinking they might be from snails, but I'm not sure. Oh, there you are, Mr. Newt. He's got 4 legs hanging down there. He's enjoying a nice sunny spot there. See you later, Newt. So you remember last time when we were at Pillsbury State Park and I was showing you the logging area where the loggers had cut down trees? You can kind of see it in the distance. Right there. Take my finger out of the way. Yeah, it's just a small patch, probably about 10 acres, where they removed most of the trees to open it up and make new habitat for animals and birds that like fields and scrubby stuff. So it's a good thing. So there are a couple of loons splashing around in the distance. They're white and black. And just came across this beaver lodge. There's a lot of sticks that have had all the bark chewed off them. And I think this beaver lodge is still being used because I can see some freshly chewed sticks in the water. So I think there might be a family of beavers in this beaver lodge underwater. Lots and lots and lots of sticks that they have piled up over the years. They've used this lodge for a long, long time. I'm just going to back away slowly. One time I was paddling around this pond, and right on top of this rock, right there, I came around the corner and there was a bear. Yep, it was August and the blueberry bushes were full of blueberries, and he was standing there eating blueberries. I was a little surprised. He was a little surprised, and he scooted right back into the woods. I'm just paddling down this little river here to see if I can see anything. The river's nice and calm, but I can tell that there is a waterfall up ahead because I can hear it, plus I can see the water moving a little bit up ahead of me. Oh, yep, it looks like, I'll show you right up here if I can get around these rocks. Oh yeah, So right over there, there's a beaver dam. Yeah, the beavers who lived. I'm gonna try and back up paddling with one hand here. It's a little tricky. So the beavers in that lodge back there that I showed you built a dam across. There's a pond on the other side of that waterfall. Let me get a little closer. And all of the sticks they piled up dams up the water to make the level of that pond back there get higher. And then they can use that pond to catch fish and swim around in. Yep. Yep, those beavers have been busy. There's a great blue heron on the edge of the pond up ahead. Right there he is. He's about 3 feet tall. He has a big, long bill. You can see he likes to hunt for frogs and small fish on the edge of the pond. I got a feeling he just might fly away. I'm trying to be quiet and move slowly so I don't scare him. He's a beauty. Here's one of my favorite camping spots on this pond. You can see the fire ring right there. And there's a picnic table right there, over there. And you can put your tent right on the grassy part. Go fishing right from your campsite. Watch the loons and the turtles. Great spot. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Well, thanks for paddling with me. I had a good time, and I hope you had a good time too. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.